Alright, good morning guys. My name is Attorney Paul Edward Shapno. I'm one of the board of directors of Success 200. And currently, I'm making this video blog to you guys to explain some major points regarding our company. And one issue that we want to tackle is the refund policy. As a policy, we don't give out refund. For one reason is that once you have been encoded to the system, a product activation code has been encoded to the system. Our system counts this as a commission that has been already paid to those qualified member affiliates or member distributors. Now, if we give out refund, it affects the financial stability of the system and likewise the company. But nonetheless, as our guaranteed policy, we are willing to create or make a product replacement. Whenever the product you have been given, you have to change mind or you prefer another product from the product you have been given, we are going to give you that freedom to choose another replacement of the product of the same value and price. Okay? But that's not that's not an absolute rule rather. It's not an absolute rule. Bakit? Kapag yung produkto naman na yon ay hindi naman po tampered or hindi naman po nasira and it came to your possession in good quality, well, we reserve the right na hindi naman namin dapat palitan. Pero to accommodate everybody, I made it a suggestion to the board and a common policy na considering that we have different products of same pricing, provided that the product is not yet tampered, not opened, okay, has been in its regular form, walang sira, hindi nasira yung packaging or whatever, we are very much willing to replace the product. Okay? Now, in a much bigger perspective po, kung bakit po namin inadapt yun, this is a common commercial practice na hindi po basta-basta nagre-refund ng mga companies. Perhaps in your experience in the big stores out there, hindi po sila nagpapa-refund. Marami pong company, even bookstores, retail business, department stores, hindi po sila nagpapa-refund basta-basta. Kapag hindi po sira, hindi po sila nagpapa-refund. Mas lalo na po, ang ginagawa na lang nilang solution, product replacement, or you can change the product or the garment or the product you bought to another product of the same value. So, ganun po yung nangyayari. Yun po ang common practice. So, sumusunod lang po tayo sa common practices. So, yun po yung standard policy ng company regarding refund and product replacement. So, we do believe we have not violated any rule or regulations being imposed by the government. Because you have to understand the predicament of the finances of the company, especially with regards to commissions. And likewise, the capricious change of mind of each individual. Isipin nyo lang po, lahat nagbago na ng isip. So, ano namang mangyayari sa kumpanya namin? So, let us be fair, and we would like to be fair with you. That's why we cannot refund at this time, but we are willing to give you the freedom to choose a replacement, provided the product you are making a replacement or having it replaced is not tampered or damaged. And for that, we are very much thankful for your understanding and support for Success 200. Thank you very much.